how you can connect your computer with your router. So first of all, you need to find out you have 3 or 4 LAN ports in your router. So once you plug in into one of the LAN port of one end of the Ethernet cable into your computer, the green light will flicker, so that means that LAN port is properly connected with your router, so that the proper data transfer speed can be seen. Here you can see the green light is blinking, so that means it's working and data is passed on from the router to the computer. So now let's see. You can see this is connected. It's showing the router is connected with the LAN.